Good morning students, I am your maths teacher. I come back here with new exercise, that is exercise 8b from chapter 8, that is linear equation. Dear student, in this exercise we have to solve questions regarding application of linear equations. That is, these questions are based on linear equation. So here two questions are taken. That is question number 1. In first question, two numbers are in the ratio 8:3 is given. Their sum is also given, that is 143. We have to find the original number. So let the number be x according to eight x plus 3x and their sum is equal to 143. Here the equation being set up, so that we have to find out the value of the number, that is x. 8 plus 3, that is 11x is equal to 143. Now we have to find out the value of x, that is being divided 143 by 11. 11 ones are 11 threes are. X is equal to 13. Therefore, the first number 8x, where the value of x to be, substitute the value of x 104 and about 3x, 3 into 13, 39. The sum of 39 and 104 is equal to 140. Now the next question is question number 3. Here 4/5 of a number that being added by that the value of 4/5 number is 10 more than the 2/3 of the number. So that we have to find out the value of number. Solution: let the number be x. Hence its 4/5 of a number is 4x by 5 and 2/3 of the number where 4/5 of a number is 10 more than 2/3 of the number. Accordingly, two-third of a number plus 10 is always equal to 4x by 5. That is, 3 is the LCM. 2x plus 30 equal to 4x by 5. Now, by transposing 3 to the right hand side and 5 to the left hand side, so that 5 into 2x plus 30 equal to 3 into 4x equal to 5 to the 10x plus 150 equal to 12x. This 10x to be transposing right hand side, so that 150 equal to 12x minus 10x and 150 equal to 2x. X is equal to 150 by 2. That is, value of x is equal to 75. Hence the number is 75. Okay, in our next question, that is question number 5. Here we have to find the number whose fifth part is increased by 5 and its fourth part is diminished by 5. So we have to find out the number. Solution: let the number be x and its fifth part equal to, fifth part is increased by 5 and fourth part is diminished by 5. Therefore, equation being set up, x by 5 plus 5 equal to x by 4 minus 5. X by 4 to be transposing left hand side, this 5 to be transposing right hand side. X by 5 minus x by 4 equal to minus 5 minus 5. LCM of 5 and 4 gives 20. 4x minus 5x equal to minus 10. Minus x by 20 equal to minus 10. So that minus from both sides will be cancelled and the value of x equal to 10 into 20, hence x equal to 200. Hence, fifth part, that is x by 5 equal to 200 by 5, that is value of x is equal to x by 5 equal to 40 and x by 4 equal to 200 by 4, that is 50. Now the next question, that is question number 8. Here given two numbers are such that the ratio between them is 3:5, and when these numbers are being increased by 10, the new number formed is 5 by 7. Hence let the number be 3x and 5x accordingly. (3x plus 10 by 5x plus 10 equal to 5 by 7). Here equation being framed so that this 5x plus 10 to be transposing right hand side and 7 to be transposing left hand side. 3x plus 10 equal to 5 into 5x plus 10. 21x, 70, 25x plus 50. This 70 to be transposing right hand side, 25x to be transposing left hand side. 21x minus 25x equal to 50 minus 70 minus 4x equal to minus 20. Minus from both sides will be cancelled. Value of x is equal to 5. Hence the numbers are 3x equal to 3 into 5 equal to 15 and 5x equal to 5 into 5 equal to 25. Okay student, now in question number 10, the hint for this question is already given in your textbook. So that here I have taken three consecutive number, that is 2x, 2x plus 2 and 2x plus 4. So that according 2x plus 2 plus 2x plus 4 equal to 234. 2x gives 6x plus 2 plus 4 gives 6 equal to 234. Now this 6 to be transposing right hand side, so that 6x equal to 234 minus 6, 6x is equal to 228 and the value of x equal to 228 by 6. 6 ones are 6 3s are 18, 6 8s are 48. So that value of x is equal to 38. Hence the consecutive numbers are 2x equal to 2 into 38 equal to 76 and 2x plus 2 equal to 76 plus 2, that is 78, and 2x plus 4 equal to 76 plus 4 equal to 80. This all about your question number 10. Now till up to question number 10, the questions that I have not done here, these are being part of your assignment work. Thank you.